Polygon. Polygon is created by defining number of sides, and the polygon can be created inscribed in a circle or circumscribed about a circle. And we also input the coordinate values, circle diameter, and then angle. And when you need to create additional polygon, you can select a new polygon button in the property manager. Without exiting the command, you can create new polygons. Let's see how can we create this in SolidWorks. I'll go and choose polygon from here, or I can choose from sketch entities polygon, and I will choose the first point here, that is center point of the polygon. And after placing this, I can control the parameters, like I need 6 sides, or I need the diameter, that is inscribed circle dimension should be 80 mm. And angle, if you need, you can enter the angle, how much you want to rotate, but right now you cannot rotate since it is constrained. I'll click OK here. Now the polygon has been created. And next, one more polygon if you want to create, you can see the polygon will be created without exiting the command, and continuously you can create number of polygons. And give escape to exit this command. Now I will delete this. The next, we are going to see creation of arc by 3 different ways. Tools, sketch entities. Here we have circle, center point arc, tangent arc, and 3-point arc. Now I will start with the first circle. Circle can be started from here or by choosing from the command from command manager. Now for my user friendliness, I given a shortcut, and using that, now I retry the circle and I'm going to create a circle on this part. Now I need to create a circle. What I will do here, I will go and say a circle has to be created on this way. That is, we are defining a center point and a point on a circle. The next one is 3-point arc, which is perimeter circle. You will define 3 points, first point, second point, and the third point. By using this, we can define perimeter circle. To make it more simple, I will say one more application example. Now I would like to create circle, that is, here I have a gear, here I have a gear, and here there is one more gear. I need to relate all these 3 gears using an circle. How can I create this? I'll go for circle command, perimeter circle, first point, second point, and third point. Now as you know, you can select the circle and using this call out define as construction geometry. And same like you have a polygon here, means I will select polygon, I'll go and define as 3, and I'll create a triangular shape over here. And now here I want to create one more circle circumscribed about this triangle. I'll go to circle, that is perimeter circle, first point, second point, and third point. This is the way we can use center point circle and perimeter circle for creating sketches. Now let's see how can we use arc command to create arc based on 3 points. I'll go for arc. First one is center point arc. This is my center point. I would like to create arc starting from here and ending up to here. The next one is tangent arc. Here you need to select only the end point of this line segment. You'll get the tangent arc. The third type is 3-point arc. You will select first point and then second point, and third point will define the radius. You can select in this way or you can select in this way. Accordingly, the arc will be generated. This is how we can create polygon and arc in SolidWorks. As of now, you had discussed about creation of arc using 3 methods, circle created using 2 methods, and now let us discuss about sketch entities. We have ellipse. Ellipse, I'll select the first point here. Second point, we will define the major radius, that is major axis size and minor axis. The ellipse has been completed. Now there is one more requirement. I need to create an ellipse. Exactly, it should be hemispherical, means it should not be fully having the shape of elliptical shape. I should create an elliptical arc. That is my objective. How can I create this? If you want to create an elliptical arc used in nuclear reactors, you can go to tools, here entities, here I'll go for a partial ellipse. First point, the same like you have to define major axis, minor axis, and here start has been defined, end point is defined. Now the arc has been generated. Once again, you can control this ellipse using these parameters. That's all about ellipse. The same like we have a number of entities here like parabola, spline. And parabola, let's see, parabola is nothing but the curve generated when you slice a cone using a plane. If it is parallel to the screen, parallel to the face, we call it as parabola. If it is sliced at an angle, it is called as hyperbola. I will choose an parabola here. To create a parabola, I would like to select the first point, and this is the focus point. This is the first point, focus point, and I would like to create the shape by defining 2 points. And now we have defined the parameters of parabola, and this shape is used to create the dome shape required for an headlight, or the dome shape required for an front nose of an aerodynamic shape, or it may be for any race car. This is all about parabola, partial ellipse, and ellipse. Let us look into spline, which is called as smooth polyline. Spline is created by defining a number of control points where it will create the continuous smooth polyline passing through that point. Spline is used in most of the consumer products to show their stylish structure. I would like to create an overlay of mouse. I need to create a top view of the mouse. What I will do, I will go and say spline. I'll select first point, second, third. You can see here, and select a point here. The arc will be created exactly passing through this point, and we got the shape of the mouse as we required. And this is all about spline. Spline, still we have number of controls like showing curvatures. You can show whether it has continuous or not, and you can also edit this spline by defining the control points, for defining angles, handles, and you can proportionally change the shape of the entire spline. And to edit the spline, we have dedicated tools for editing the spline, like spline tools. If you go to insert spline tools, we have number of commands to control the spline. Let's see a brief about this.